Have you ever wondered how to infuse a touch of Mediterranean magic into your ketogenic journey? A healthy culinary delight with tantalizing aroma. Yes, we're talking about olive oil. But how exactly can this ancient elixir blend seamlessly into the modern-day phenomenon of the ketogenic diet? Join us on a journey to unlock the health benefits of incorporating olive oil into your keto lifestyle. I do not want to bore you with the explanation of the fundamentals of the ketogenic diet, since you must already know it. But if not, check out some of my other videos on my channel. I am sure you will learn something new. Olive oil boasts a stellar nutritional profile. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and potent antioxidants, it's a keto-friendly powerhouse that elevates both taste and health. First, let's see some nutritional benefits of incorporating olive oil into a healthy lifestyle. Heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL cholesterol, while maintaining or even increasing good cholesterol levels, HDL cholesterol. This, in turn, supports heart health and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Antioxidant properties. Olive oil contains powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols and vitamin E, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant activity can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer and neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil, particularly its oleocanthal content, may help reduce inflammation and mitigate the risk of these conditions. Weight management. As mentioned earlier, olive oil's healthy fats can promote satiety, regulate appetite hormones, and aid in weight management when incorporated into a balanced diet. Its ability to support nutrient absorption and boost metabolism can also contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. Improved digestive health. Olive oil has been shown to have a mild laxative effect and can aid in promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, its consumption may help reduce the risk of digestive disorders such as gallstones and inflammatory bowel diseases. Did you know that olive oil can relieve constipation? 1 tablespoon of olive oil, taken on an empty stomach in the morning, may relieve constipation. But do not take more than 1 tablespoon or you may experience cramps or diarrhea. Healthy fats like those found in olive oil can aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. This ensures your body is efficiently utilizing the nutrients from your food. Appetite regulation. Including olive oil in your diet may help regulate appetite hormones, such as ghrelin, which signal hunger to the brain. This can help prevent overeating and promote a more balanced calorie intake. Brain health. Some research suggests that the consumption of olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, may benefit cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. This is attributed to its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to support healthy blood flow to the brain. Skin and hair health. The vitamin E and polyphenols in olive oil contribute to its moisturizing and protective properties, making it beneficial for skin and hair health. It can help hydrate and nourish the skin, reduce inflammation, and protect against oxidative damage. And do you know which type of olive oil is the healthiest? The extra virgin olive oil. Why? Because it's cold-pressed only once without high heat or chemical solvents. Besides that, it retains the highest levels of antioxidants and beneficial compounds. Now let's look at how to use olive oil as part of a ketogenic diet. Because what better way to elevate your culinary creations than with a drizzle of liquid gold? From sautéing vegetables to searing meats, olive oil adds depth and complexity to your dishes without derailing your macros. Salads need not be bland on a ketogenic journey. Enter homemade dressings infused with the goodness of olive oil. From zesty vinaigrettes to creamy emulsions, the possibilities are endless. Say goodbye to store-bought dressings laden with hidden sugars and embrace the simplicity and purity of homemade concoctions. Snack attack. Who said snacks couldn't be both delicious and nutritious? With a jar of olives and a bottle of olive oil at your disposal, you're equipped to tackle those midday cravings with ease. Marinated olives? Anyone? Or perhaps a dollop of olive tapenade paired with crunchy keto crackers? The options abound, limited only by your imagination. Sweet side of olive oil. Contrary to popular belief, olive oil isn't just reserved for savory dishes. It lends its subtle elegance to a plethora of keto-friendly desserts, from decadent chocolate mousse to indulgent olive oil cakes. Embrace the versatility of this liquid gold and embark on a journey of sweet satisfaction without compromising your ketosis. And how do you choose the right olive oil that fits your keto lifestyle? Choosing the right olive oil for your keto journey involves considering several factors to ensure you're getting the best quality product that aligns with your dietary goals. Here are a few key factors to consider. Check for cold-pressed or first cold-pressed olive oil. It is extracted without applying heat, which helps retain its flavor and nutritional value. Look for labels indicating cold-pressed or first cold-pressed to ensure you're getting a high-quality product. Check the harvest date. Freshness matters when it comes to olive oil. Look for bottles that display the harvest date or the best by date. Olive oil is best consumed within 2 years of harvest, so choose a bottle with a recent date to ensure optimal freshness and flavor. Consider the packaging. Olive oil is sensitive to light, heat, and oxygen, which can degrade its quality over time. Choose olive oil packaged in dark glass bottles or tin containers to protect it from light exposure. Avoid plastic bottles, as they can leach harmful chemicals into the oil. Check for certification. Look for olive oils that carry certifications such as the International Olive Council, IOC, seal, or the North American Olive Oil Association, NAOOA, seal. These certifications indicate that the oil has undergone testing and meets specific quality standards. Taste test. If you have the opportunity, taste the olive oil before purchasing it. High-quality olive oil should have a fresh, fruity aroma with hints of grassiness or peppery notes. Avoid oils that taste rancid or stale. Consider the flavor profile. Different olive oils have varying flavor profiles, ranging from mild and buttery to robust and peppery. Choose olive oil with a flavor profile that complements your dishes and preferences. Mild olive oils are ideal for delicate flavors, while robust oils pair well with bold dishes. Read the label. Take a close look at the label to ensure the olive oil contains only one ingredient, olives. Avoid oils that contain added preservatives, flavorings, or other additives. Additionally, check the nutritional information to ensure the oil fits within your keto macros. In this guide, we've explored some nutritional benefits of olive oil and how to use it with your ketogenic diet lifestyle. However, it's important to remember that while olive oil can be a healthy addition to your diet, it's not a magic bullet for weight loss. For the best results, it should be incorporated into a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods and regular physical activity. Additionally, olive oil is calorie-dense, so portion control is key to prevent excessive calorie intake. So, grab your apron, sharpen your knives, and embark on a journey where flavor knows no bounds and health knows no compromise. I hope this video has given you useful information and you enjoyed watching it. Please, do not forget to subscribe and check out other videos on this channel about keto diet and foods that support your immune system and your well-being.